que és un moment important per nosaltres. Sabem que l'últim dia aquí va ser una mica un pal per tots.
This last game was a tough game, came down to the last shot, and this next game it's going to be a tough game as well. Every game in ACB is tough.
We talk a lot about it with the entire team, about what we can improve, what we can do better.
Estem treballant molt dur i molt fort per tornar al nostre màxim el més aviat possible.
Yeah, we're practicing good. We expect so important game.
Practice hard as always, We push ourselves to be better,
And we see, practice guys pushing even harder to practice and to play hard and to have a better, overall better team.
So we're just practicing really hard every day, getting ready for each game.
Jugar allà sempre és molt difícil.
Sabem que serà un partit molt dur, però amb moltes ganes ja de canviar una mica la inèrcia, amb una energia jo crec que molt positiva.
We need to keep practicing, to keep doing the things we're doing in the beginning of the season and go there to win the game.
Going there with the right mentality to get the job done.
Focus on ourselves, fixing things inside of the team, individually and as a team. I think that's the best thing we have to do right now is focus on ourselves and what we need to do better.
We don't expect anything easier there, but we go there to win the game.
1, 2, 3!
L'equip s'està centrant en estar units, fer pinya, estar connectats, que al fi i al cap és el que ens podrà ajudar a guanyar un camp molt difícil com el Breuant.